students, welcome, and today we will discuss multiple choice questions. In multiple choice questions, you will be given a question, you will have few options, and you will have to choose the correct option. Always remember that in multiple choice questions, the questions flow in a series, so the answers will be always in a series as well. Okay, so let's look at the passage first. Beneath the twilight sky, the city lights flickered like distant stars, casting a mesmerizing glow on the bustling streets. Laughter and snippets of conversations intertwined with the urban symphony, creating a vibrant melody. As the night unfolded, its mysteries shadows danced along the sidewalk, and a sense of possibility hung in the air. Amidst the rhythm of life, each passerby carried a unique story, woven into the fabric of the ever evolving cityscape. So let's look at the questions first. What does the city lights resemble beneath the twilight sky? We've got options: fireworks, distant stars, and flashlights. Let's look at the passage. We see that beneath the twilight sky, the city lights flickered like distant stars. Resemble like. The answer is distant stars. Okay. Now let's look at question number 2. What effect does the urban symphony have on the atmosphere? A. Creates a somber mood. B. Enhances the vibrant mood. And C. Silences the street. So we'll see that urban symphony creates a vibrant melody. So the answer is B. Enhances the vibrant mood. If you see, the answer has moved into a sequence. First question, the answer was here in the first line only, while answer to the second question was in the third line. So we are moving in a sequence. Now, question number 3. How are shadows described in the passage? Option A, fading into the background. Option B, dancing along the sidewalk. And option C is intertwining with the city lights. So, shadows. As the night unfolded, shadow, here we see the word shadows, danced along the sidewalk. Okay, danced along the sidewalk. So the answer is option B. Okay. Multiple choice questions are relatively easier because once you start to know that this might be your answer, because everything moves in a sequence, it is easier for you. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button